Welcome to the channel. Okay, guys, what do I say all the time? Same day slay. Okay, I without a doubt wanted to share this with all of you guys. This is going to be, as you can see, as you saw the thumbnail, this is going to be an unboxing. Duh. You guys see this big box. This is an unboxing from Fashionphile, guys. Yes, your girl has been playing in the pre-love sector, okay? Guys, are you here for it? Because I undoubtedly am. There is a backstory to this bag, but I'm gonna give the short, quick version, okay, for all my girls and all my guys that do not really like the chatty patty season. That is very easy for your girl to be in, okay? Yes, honey, yes, I can talk, honey, I can go. But let's jump into this unboxing, guys. So of course, your girl being me, I have opened the box up already. As you guys, well, I have opened the box up already, but I have not seen the contents of the box, guys. So as you can see in the screen, you are going to, wait a minute, we're gonna mess around and the whole package gonna fall out. Okay, so Fashionphile is coming with their little decoration or what have you. Guys, do you have any idea of what this could possibly be? Now let me put that down, because guys, there are quite a few little things. Okay, do you guys see what this says? Okay, and it has it says, I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm here for that. Okay, that is cute. And Fashionphile is on the back, guys. They have a little confetti, and this is for, I wanted everyone to see, for anyone that may have never purchased something from Fashionphile as well. Now, if you have, then it's going to be a situation where you already know. All right, it says use is like the new fashionphile.com. And let's see, is there any, guys, I'm looking to see, is there any paperwork inside of the bag other than these little thank you from the bottom of this box is what it says. So I was looking to see if there was any paperwork, and that was right there. Okay, girls and guys, do you have an idea? Do you have any idea what your girl may have got? Let's think about it. And are you like, Fancy, come on, stop it. Just open it. Just open it. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm excited. I am so excited. And it's crazy because I know what I ordered. but, guys, I'm so here for this little, looks like a laundry bag. Looks like a laundry bag that is super tight. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute, because why is this so hard for me to get in? That just means I don't have any strength. Okay, guys. You see me, but I'm going to have my eyes closed. I want to have my eyes closed. Do you guys see? Okay. Okay, guys, when I say love, I absolutely, okay. And so anybody and everybody knows and can understand, because I say it on this channel all the time. When you have purchased, guys, even I want to say this even in the midst of this video, when you have purchased authentic, and you know it's a feeling, it's a vibe, but also now being here on YouTube, I want to be fully transparent. um it is nothing wrong on no day with buying authentic luxury bags. You can buy all of them that your pockets can stand, but if you cannot afford it for whatever reason, there is nothing wrong with that. And that is something I want to express so seriously across this channel, guys, because just like looking at this, guys, I'm looking at this and it has the tag right here. So for anybody that may be somewhat confused, you come across my channel and you have heard me talk about here recently, you heard me talk about situations. I want to be clear. I am here for a bag, okay? I do not have a problem with purchasing an authentic, whether it be pre-loved, whether it is brand spanking new. But here's my thing, guys, that I want everybody to understand. Like I said in one of my videos, it boils down to this. Who cares? Like who really cares? It is all about you, the purchaser, because that's just like this, guys. I know what I paid for this bag. I know that this bag is authentic, but once this video is in the little archives and you know, however many views it gets or however many views it does not get, someone may see me with my bag and feel as though, you know, it's a shush bag. Or but at the end of the day, what difference is it gonna make? I know what I know. And guys, I want to say that because I want to be 100% transparent about that, because I have learned so much, guys, being here on YouTube, that if you love something, then you love it. So with that being said, I'm gonna give you the short version of why I have this bag, guys. When I say love, absolutely love, and I'm looking at this bag right now, and because this girl is a pre-loved situation, she already has patina. She already has a nice amount of patina. It is not a whole lot, but it is good for me. It is not where it's been an over, how do I say, guys? What am I saying? Getting tongue tied. It has not overly been used and abused and things of that nature. The bag, to me, is still in a very good, pristine shape. And guys, I forget the name. The name of this print starts with a T. If I say it, I'm going to mutilate the name. But this is something, again, that I say, guys, a lot of times. The power of just being a part of YouTube, just being, you know, watching YouTube and doing different things. I fell in love with this bag years ago when this bag came out, 2007, I want 2006 or 2007, something along those lines. And I will never forget, I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers, and at the time I had no clue, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart. I had no idea, no clue that one day I would be doing YouTube as well. The YouTuber that I saw with this bag, her name is SL Miss Glam. And when I tell you, ah, I still watch her. I still watch her to this day. But back then, when I was watching her, this bag caught my attention, and I was like, uh, the gates just opened up, and I felt like this was just such a pretty bag. I felt like this was a pretty bag. So I did acquire this bag. This is going to be the second time, guys, that I have this bag. And like I said, without the long overkill, this is my second time having this bag. And the reason that this is my second time, guys, because the first bag, it was stolen. So I have been on a hunt for this bag ever since the bag was stolen. So that is the short synopsis of the story, and this is one of those bags. This is one of those pieces that I personally feel like, because I am such a pink girl, guys, because I love pink to the upteenth, okay? I was like, I must get this bag back inside of my arsenal. I have since here recently learning about different things. Honey, I was on anywhere and everywhere trying to obtain this bag. And from the land, I couldn't get it. It wasn't available. It looked crazy. And I was like, okay, listen. Personally, I was like, okay, because here's truth, guys. Regardless of what, that for me, this bag has been purchased twice, okay? So, you know, that could have been something totally else, but nevertheless, the bag is in my space. It is in my arsenal now. I am over the moon, guys. I'm over the moon, happy with the quality of the bag. I am ecstatic to be able to be sharing this with you guys, because I love when I say I love this little bag. And guys, look, my charm, the color of the pinks, the color of the baby pinks are just a whole entire vibe, okay? Please believe me when I tell you it is an entire vibe that I am so here for. And I think that it is just amazing. Like, it is so, guys, when I tell you, because this bag was taken from me, and I do have it again right now, she is going to get a lot of wear, okay? This bag is going to get a lot of wear. You're going to be seeing me with this bag everywhere, okay? I say that. And, but, yes, because I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. This is one of those things, guys. Leave in the comments. Have you ever had a particular bag that you really, really, really wanted, and for whatever reason you weren't able to get it maybe as fast, or what have you, as you thought? For me, because this bag is an older bag, it actually was very hard to obtain this bag. This bag was not easily accessible, because believe you me when I tell you I have looked, okay? I have looked, and it wasn't till recently she popped up on Fashionphile, and I was able to obtain her. I believe on Fashionphile may be one other one there as well, but this one for me had, from what they had, was the best quality. So of course your girl jumped on this. So if you guys was here for this little video, okay, if you was here for this little video, because believe you me, I am here for it, honey. It is a vibe, okay? It is vibing, honey. It is vibing with everything in me because I absolutely adore I absolutely adore this bag. And I feel like if you are a really pink girl and you happen to love, guys, I see a little mosquito flying around. If you happen to love Louis Vuitton, then this is one that I just feel like should be in your arsenal. Now, you may be like, girl, I don't want that in my arsenal, and I'm fine with that. Okay, I'm here for that too. Okay. So, guys, until the next time, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, okay, because it helps your girl out tremendously. This way, YouTube knows that you guys are liking the videos that I am putting out, okay, so we can continue to keep growing this beautiful pink family over here. Tell a friend and tell a friend about the fancy pink chick and all the things that we have going on over here. Now, baby, we coming out with these bags, okay? We coming out with these bags. So if you're here for it, please give these videos a thumbs up, a little likey like situation, guys. Until the next time, bye for now.